Alright guys, so we're going to have a little look at some perpendicular and parallel lines. So before we start, just a few things to note. Say if line 1 has a slope of 3 over 4, that's my slope. Any line that's parallel to this, so parallel is denoted by that, train tracks that never touch, will have the same slope. So it will be 3 over 4. They'll never touch. Any line that's perpendicular, okay, so perpendicular is like that. 90-degree angle, if this is my line 1, well line 2 will be 90-degree angle like that. That has a completely different slope, but it's relatable. What you do is you flip it, so it becomes 4 over 3, and you change the sign. It becomes minus 4 over 3. And if you multiply this by this, you get minus 1. That's how you know they're perpendicular. Again, if I have another line, line 2, and the slope is 3, but a parallel slope is 3. Perpendicular slope is actually going to be 1/3, and then put a minus there and change the sign. That's the same as 3 over 1. You flip it, it becomes 1/3 and minus 1 over 3. Multiply them together, it gives you minus 1. That's how you know it's perpendicular. So we're going to look at two questions, and this is the first one. They're a little bit tricky. So it says L is the line 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, and K is the line 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Show that L is perpendicular to M. So we need to find the slopes of both them lines. And this comes back to the equation of line video that I did a while ago. So to find the slope, you need to get y by itself. Equation 1 can have the form y is equal to mx plus c. You'll see that in your table book. Basically, m is my slope, but I have to have y by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is you're going to take the line L. You're going to write it out here. It's 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, I want to get y by itself. So, I'm going to have minus 3y here, right? I'm going to bring everything over either side. A plus 6 becomes a minus 6 over here. A plus 2x becomes a minus 2x over here. So we bring things over to either side. So I'm left with minus 3y is equal to minus 2x minus 6. I don't want that minus y, so I'm going to change the signs. If I change this to a plus, I have to change this to a plus and this to a plus. I change all the signs. Now I need to get y by itself. And I've got a 3 here. So in order to do that, I can just divide across by 3. You divide everything by 3. So that leaves me with y is equal to 2 over 3 x plus 6 over 3. And my slope there is going to be 2/3, because remember my slope is whatever in front of x. Looking at the second one here, I have the line k. So k is 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again, get y by itself, so 2y over here, bring everything over either side. That becomes a minus 3x over here. A minus 4 becomes a plus 4. I want to get y by itself, but I've got that 2 here. So I'm going to have to divide across by 2. Get rid of it. So I divide across by 2 and I'm left with just y. That becomes minus 3 over 2 x plus 4 over 2 there. So now I'm left with this slope, which is minus 3 over 2. Look, that is the inverse of that. I've flipped over and I've changed signs. So that means they're perpendicular. So 2 over 3 multiplied by minus 3 over 2, put into calculator gives me minus 1. So the two lines are perpendicular, and we've just proved it. Moving on, let's have a little look at something probably a little bit harder, or you might find a little bit harder. So this one here, again, not massively hard. Find an equation of a line. We have to figure out what the slope is first. Find the equation of a line through the point minus 2 and 3. That's x1, y1, which is perpendicular to 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So first of all, we have to find the slope of this line. So slope, as you know, is n. So I've got 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. I'm going to get y by itself. So in order to get y by itself, I have to bring everything else over either side. So I have minus y, bring this over becomes minus 2x bring this over, it becomes minus 5. Change the sign of all this, so I'm left with y is equal to 2x plus 5. And the slope is just the number in front of x, which is 2. So my slope m is now going to be equal to 2. So I've got m is equal to 2, and I've got a point, and the point is minus 2 and 3, which is x1, y1. So now I can do y minus y1 is equal to m on x minus x1. Again, what I do is I do y minus what y1 is, which is 3, slope is 2, on x minus x1. And remember that's a minus minus, so I'm going to put it in brackets. So we left with y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus minus gives me plus 2. And therefore y minus 3 is equal to 2x. 2 times 2 is plus 4. And I like to get y by itself, so I'm going to bring my minus 3 over, it comes to plus 3 over this side. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 2x, 3 plus 4 plus